Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to update your delivery zone on the Skip the Dishes, then this video is for you. As you can see, I'm on the Skip the Dishes official website where they are actually instructed you or all of us that how we can actually update our delivery zones. So first, when you sign up to become a courier on the Skip network, you can choose where you want to deliver by selecting your preferred delivery zones. Zones are areas within a city with a cluster of restaurants or vendors and customers to keep you busy. To get matched with offers, you must start your shift in your delivery zone. Delivery zone doesn't always follow conventional neighborhood boundaries, so check your map in the Courier app and to familiarize yourself with your zone. Now, how do you add and remove zones? Your zones and any other available zones will appear in the updated delivery zones screen found within your app. So make sure that if you want to change with exact zone, then make sure that this zone is now currently available on the Skip the Dishes. Then you have to go to the availability tab on the scheduling screen in the Courier app. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner and select update delivery zones. Then tap on available zone to select it, or tap on the highlighted zone to remove it. Then save your settings, and that's all. That's how you can just update your delivery zones, and it's pretty much awesome and easy. So you have to follow this instruction word by word. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.